Hi friends, welcome to the Mathematics Using Python course, and today we are going to see how to do the addition, subtraction and multiplication in matrices. So before that I am going to teach you how to declare a matrix. Okay, so to framing a matrix. So to frame a matrix, we must know how to declare a matrix using arrays. To use this arrays, I'm going to call the function, inbuilt function library, that is NumPy. So import NumPy as NP, right? So suppose in this I am going to give a note, like suppose there is only one row, then you have to use one open brace. If there are two rows, then you have to use two open braces. If there are three rows, then you have to use three open braces. Okay, so I am going to declare a capital A matrix with this NumPy. So np dot array. Okay, I'm opening a open brace because I'm going to declare with only one row, and I'm going to given that elements in a square bracket. So they are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Since the elements are in the separate columns, I have put in separate commas. Okay, so I just want the output of this matrix. So print capital A. Yeah, so we are having four elements, and that is one row with four columns. Suppose you want to know that how many rows or how many columns, what is the order of this particular matrix. For that case, you just simply type it as print and capital A. For me, which matrix you want to find the dimension. So I am going to use shape, SHAP. It means that it will give you the dimension, that means number of rows in the columns of that particular matrix. So they are giving only one row with four columns. So they have given it as 4. Okay, then we'll move to the next one. Next code, coding for addition. Hash addition. So I'm going to declare two matrices. Capital A is equal to, I am opening two braces because I'm going to add a square bracket of order 2 by 2. So it will consist of the elements 1 comma 2. For the second row, I have put a second comma and again an open bracket, right? So it will be 3 and 4. Suppose I want to use the same matrix as B. Okay, so control C. You can use all the same control A and control B, control C. Okay, so control C and control V. I'm just simply changing the element as 2. Okay, so suppose I want to see what are the elements are. So print capital A, and the next line is print capital B. Okay, so it's showing the elements, what are they, but we want that in a matrix form. So we have to use the calling function as np dot array. Okay, so and this will be np dot array. So that you could see the matrices. That means it has the first row as 1 2 and 3 4, the first matrix, and the second matrix is 2 2 3 4. Now I want to add these two matrices, so I am declaring that function capital C is the addition of capital A and capital B, and I want to see the output also. So print of C. Okay, if I add all those things, first row is first element is 1, and the second matrix first element is 2. So if you add, it is 3. Similarly, for all other elements, you are getting 3 4 6 8. Either you can declare another function C with A plus B, or else you can simply type it as print A plus B. So it is so cool. It is giving the same value. So instead of declaring another variable C, you can directly use that as A plus B. I am moving to the next one, subtraction. Okay. For subtraction, I am going to take a 3 by 3 matrix. My capital X is equal to np dot array. I'm going to use 3 rows. So I'm opening 3 open brackets. Okay. And 1 square bracket for the first row. It has the elements 0, comma 1, comma 3. And for the second row, I just put separated comma and again a square bracket. It is 3, comma 4, comma 5, and again a comma for the next row and open a square bracket. It will be 0, 1 and 2. And instead of putting 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, I must put there is a comma, or otherwise it is considering only one element, that is 0, 1, 2. Okay. I am going to declare another matrix of order 3 by 3. So control C, enter, control V. I am declaring this as Y. Okay, Y. I am changing a small changes. I am doing small changes in the elements. And this is it. So now I want to subtract the matrices. You know how to do the subtraction. I have given in the previous lecture. So it will be, suppose my capital Z is equal to capital X minus capital Y, and my capital W is equal to capital Y minus capital X, and I want to know what are the values. So print Z and print W. Yes, we can run the program. So there is no small z, so I just made it as capital Z and I'm running it again, so that you could see the values. That is 0, now minus 9 0 0 and 0 minus 4 0 minus 10 0 0 for the first one, that is Z, that is X minus Y, and the second matrix for Y minus X, right? Hope you understand how to do the addition and subtraction. Let's see how to do the matrix multiplication in scalar. Okay, so next thing is scalar multiplication. Okay, it is very simple as we did in the previous one. So I am going to declare any matrix and I will multiply that with the scalar. So I am declaring a matrix capital A, okay, with two different orders. So I'm opening a bracket and it is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I am creating another row, that is 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, and I just call this with NP array, or else it will be declaring some numbers as it is. So it is NP dot array. Okay, I want to print this because then only I could know what is my A. So print capital A, and I'm going to multiply with the scalar. So I am declaring that my capital B is equal to some 5 star capital A. Okay. So I'm declaring that capital B is nothing but 5 into capital A, and I want to multiply it with 5, and I just want to see the output also. So I am putting print capital B. So you could see the output. So the matrix capital A is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the output of capital B is nothing but each and every element has to be multiplied with 5, and you will get the output like this. Okay, hope you all understand how to declare a matrix by using np.array, and how to do the addition and subtraction and scalar multiplication. In the next class, we'll see how to do transpose of a matrix and matrix multiplication using Python. Thank you.